Okay, let's see. So now we're on the part 4. So we're adding a navigation bar on our website, our cute website about Python. Okay, so in creating a website, especially for Bootstrap, we don't need to memorize all of the classes. So we have the double three schools to be our to base some of our classes we need. But so in order to know what classes we want is so it is required to read all of this first, so for us to much easier to identify the classes we need. So for this we need the navbar. Okay. So this is the navbar from Bootstrap 4, and it is much better than, so although we can create this from the CSS or and HTML, but it is much easier for us when we just need to import some of the class of navigation bar from Bootstrap 4, and also we just copy and pasting. Okay, so we're using the collapsing navigation bar, this one. So let's see. So we just need to change this to small. So run. So as you can see, the button here, let's see, MD, so medium. Okay, we have this button here, so collapsible navbar, and when we change this to small, so the links will be displayed from this, and when you resize this into smaller, then it will be a navigation button. Okay, this navigation button here. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be just copying this. Okay, so copy this because all is well. Okay, just need to align this a little. Okay, button. Okay, this is for the button class. Button for navbar. Okay. Span. This is for the div, unordered list. This is for the links. Okay, on our website we have 3 sections, though the last section is just for test your might section, or test your knowledge. So the first item on the list would be what is Python. So what is Python? All of our contents for this section will be coming from our double three schools. So Python. Okay, so this is just for the content of our website. So I think, okay, so I copied this, what is Python, up to this one. Okay, so the next one would be code syntax. So the code syntax, so I also got that from this one, but I only contain the print statement, if else, for loops, and functions. And then the last one is the take a quiz. So I added this to just to make use of our Jquery class. Okay. A class Navbar. Okay. So we're using a let's see first. Okay, so as you can see we have cute navbar here. So let's see. From the head class you need to add the style. Oops. Why strong? I'm not strong. Style. Okay. Then we need all of the elements, having font size to 18 pixels. 18 pixels. Okay. But so as you can see, for this navbar, we will be replacing this with image. Okay. So I already have an image or logo. So this came from our header here, and I just removed the background color and set that to transparent. So it is a PNG image. Okay. So images, and then logo that PNG. Let's see. So as you can see, we need to resize this. Style, so height 40 pixels. Whoa, it's too little. That's okay. And then from this, okay. So I added a ScrollSpy. So part 10, ScrollSpy. So if you want to search what ScrollSpy is, you can go. But for the part 10 of our videos here on our playlist, we'll be using a ScrollSpy. Okay, the links here is quite small. Style this to a font size 20 pixels. Okay, font style 20 pixels. And we need to set the height for navigation bar. Let's see, navigation bar. And also we need to stick this to top, stick it up. So that means when we scroll down the page, and then this will stick up to the top. Okay. And then some let's see, some adds pixels. Better pixels too. So the height, just 2 pixels. It's too wide, so I think that's it for the navigation bar. Wait, before. I think this is good, PX1. And then if you notice, we'll be having this navigation bar. It is not, but it's okay. So okay, that is for our navigation bar.